Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, today's video is somewhat unique because the idea is very unique. All of you are seeing very beautiful, simple and easy to make hand embroidery design patterns. But friends, our concern and basic emphasis is not on hand embroidery patterns. Our concern is that how we can design or how we can elaborate or how we can decorate a hand embroidery pattern with the help of small beads, small stones, pearls to make them more formal, classy, and somewhat give them a more elegant touch of fancy look. As you can see, you can use mini size stones, you can use mini size beads. Different type of colorful beads have been used to beautify the look and creativity of these patterns. You can use same thread color beads, and even you can use contrastable beads with a small touch of fringe stones or past stones. You can make your embroidery patterns more fancy and creative as well. Some basic embroidery stitches like French knot, lazy daisy, stem stitch, fly stitch, boolean knot have been used to make these embroidery patterns in order to give the style a more elegant and classy or trendy look. You can use off-white or white or beige color pearls, or you can use golden color beads as well. As you have been shown in the video, different sizes of beads and pearls have been used to beautify these very beautiful embroidery patterns. By the use of beads, pearls and different type of multicolor beads, the hand embroidery pattern becomes elegant, fancy, and you can make them more formal by making these embroidery patterns along with embellishments of pearls onto velvet, silk to give a more enhanced, rich and royal look. So with this, allow me to leave. Stay tuned for new upcoming videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe.